Hello friends, welcome to the CapCut video editing tutorial. Today's topic of our tutorial is zoom intro. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through a simple technique to help you create an impressive zoom intro. Let's do it together step by step. I have downloaded some video clips from pexels.com. Add a default text from the text tab. Set the duration of the text to 7 seconds. Change the default text. Select any bold type font. Increase the size of the text. Export the text. Remove the text and import the exported text. Add a video to the timeline. Then add the text video to the above video track. Change the blend mode of the text video to multiply. Reduce the opacity value to 80%. Keep the playhead at the starting point and add the first keyframe to the opacity. Then forward the playhead to the 4-second position. Add the second keyframe to the opacity. At the second keyframe position, reduce the opacity value to 60%. Keep the playhead at the 1-second position. Add the first keyframe to the scale. Then forward the playhead to the 4-second position. At this point, set the scale value to 500%. Then forward the playhead to the 6-second position and add the third keyframe to the scale. At this point, set the scale value to 2000%. The zoom isn't working properly, and a black shadow is appearing. Let's fix this issue. Forward the playhead to the 6-second position and reduce the opacity value to 0. I hope you now understand the simple way of creating a zoom intro. That's all from this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, we'd appreciate your support by liking it, sharing it with friends, and subscribing for more insightful tutorials. Let's continue our learning journey together.